NBC29 forecast.
Good Monday evening. There's the view from the Charlottesville camera. Yes, a very warm afternoon, not oppressively humid, but it is sticky out there. Take a look at some of our numbers. Currently at the airport, checking in at 89. It did touch 90 this afternoon. Winds out of the south-southwest at 9. Dew points are generally in the 60s across the region. It's not overly oppressive, but it is sticky as mentioned. 86 right now at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. Mix of clouds and sunshine, west-southwesterly winds. And we'll take a look at some other readings at this hour. We've got 89 in Culpeper, 85 in Louisa, 91 in Dillon, 85 currently in Waynesboro, and 87 right now in Harrisonburg. Things are quiet locally on NBC29's Doppler radar network, but we'll venture a little farther north. First of all, there are some watch boxes, severe thunderstorm watch boxes for this line of storms. It stretches really now from southern sections of Pennsylvania back across western Maryland, far northern West Virginia, and they are moving off to the south and east. So as we get really past, say, 8:30, 9 o'clock, we'll have to watch for our northernmost communities for some of these storms. The main threat's going to be damaging wind gusts and spotty hail, and it's really the northern Virginia, portions of Maryland that are outlooked for the potential of severe weather tonight. We have a marginal risk, very low on the scale across much of the region, but we'll keep an eye on things. We could have a few, especially after 9 o'clock tonight, mainly north of Route 33. Temperatures overnight will generally settle into the mid and lower 60s across the region with partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, upper 70s and lower 80s. Those storms tonight are being driven by a front that'll come through by morning, and we'll get a little push of some drier air and then a reinforcing shot of even cooler and drier air for the middle of the week. Matter of fact, if you don't like tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday will feature temperatures in the 70s to near 80, and those morning lows will be a lot more comfortable, well in the 50s. So really a couple of fronts, one here tonight that'll come through, another one that's up here across portions of Michigan, and each one of those will usher in slightly drier and less humid conditions. Well, right off the coast of North Carolina, about 200 miles east of Cape Hatteras, is a tropical depression kind of formed with a complex of storms that came through on Sunday. This is going to rocket off to the north and east. It'll head up toward Atlantic Canada, up toward Newfoundland and Labrador, but again, that will likely get a name by later tomorrow. It would become Bill, but no threat to the U.S. It will certainly kick up the surf. This will be the pattern going into the midweek. You'll notice this broad trough or dip in the jet stream over the east. That's going to feature slightly cooler and comfortable weather here for mid-June. So here we are with Futurecast tonight, looking at those storms that are off to our north right now. Say after 8, 9 o'clock, you see some of that activity, and then it's gone. It's more concentrated farther off to our east. And then tomorrow morning, we'll start in the 60s. Tomorrow afternoon, we're looking for daytime highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s. While there could be a spotty shower tomorrow afternoon, most of us will remain dry. That's the second front coming through here that'll allow temperatures to settle into the 50s Wednesday morning, and by Wednesday afternoon, upper 70s to near 80. So for tonight, could be a few late storms, mainly to our north. Temperatures in the mid to lower 60s. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast, and really a comfortable midweek set to unfold. Those morning lows will be down in the 50s and daytime highs around 80 or so in Wednesday and Thursday. We'll warm up nicely here for Friday. First, Fridays after 5 to kick off, and then this Father's Day weekend will feature temperatures in the upper 80s and lower 90s with at least some hit and miss storms.